Hey, what's up, traders? It's been a minute. I've been off the channel for a while, and today I just want to be real with you. I stepped away from trading for some time, and this is because I lost my $10,000 account. And this is not something I like to admit on the camera, but I just thought of just coming here, and just giving you guys the truth behind me not being active for about 2 months now. Yeah, it's been 2 months. So I lost my 10K account, and this is not because of I don't know how to trade or any kind of stuff like that. This is because I didn't follow my trading plan, which I was supposed to follow, and at the end of the day, I ended up blowing the 10K account, and I let it get to me. And these kind of situations, I'm not supposed to act the way I acted, but unfortunately for me, I let it get to me. I just gave up on trading. I had to just give it some time. Okay, I had to give trading some time. And to be honest, it's not about the money or the account I lost. It's about the pressure I put on myself to the goals I was supposed to achieve. By the time I was supposed to achieve it, I didn't meet up to the goal. And that kind of pressure, it got to me, to the fact that I just had to quit trading for some time, and I was trying to hit the goal without checking if my mindset and habits were really aligned. Now I'm back, but I'm coming at this differently. I recently opened a $2,000 demo account because I'll be getting a $2,000 account very soon. So I recently opened a $2,000 account. I'm working on my structure, my psychology, and taking it slow. This time I'm not rushing to prove anything. I just want to grow and trade right. So what's next? I'm bringing back content on this channel. I'll be sharing my journey with this 2K account and how I trade it, what I learned, and everything in between. I'm not here to show off. I'm here to be real, to help anyone who is on the same journey. If you've ever blown an account or felt stuck in trading, just know you are not alone. Drop a comment if this has ever happened to you. Let's talk. If you are ready to grow with me and save my journey, do also subscribe. Let's build this the right way. I'm back. Alright guys, so this is literally the end of this video. I just want to express my mind and tell you guys that I'm back. We're here to win it, we're here to crush it, but it's gonna be a slow process. I have to take it slow. So that's just the message I have for you guys today. So you guys should watch out. More contents are coming in the next few months, and I want you guys to keep supporting me like you've always been supporting me. Thanks so much guys for this time, your time you give me today. We are back.